Hello, I hope you're having a wonderful day today. I am. Let's talk about our feelings today. How are you feeling? I'm feeling really happy today because I'm just about to read a book, and I love reading books. Reading books makes me really happy. When do I have a sad day? Sometimes I have a really sad day when I go on a holiday and I meet all my family and friends. And then on the last day when I have to go home, I have to say goodbye to them. That makes me really sad because I'm going to miss them a lot. So I have to give them lots of hugs, and sometimes I might even cry a little because I don't want to say goodbye to them. There are days where I feel excited because I'm meeting my family for the first time after so long. And I'm happy to see them. And my happiness is more excitement. There are days where I'm nervous because I have to play in a sporting tournament and I'm nervous that I'm not going to play so well and disappoint my team. I might feel a little bit anxious on those days and have lots of butterflies in my stomach, or the feeling of little fluttering butterflies in my stomach. And there are days where I feel surprised because something out of the blue or unexpected happens to me. These are all valid feelings. And on days when you're feeling down or sad or nervous, it helps to talk to someone. I do. I love talking to someone when I'm feeling sad. It helps me. And on days when I'm happy, I love sharing that happiness with other people as well. How are you feeling today? Are you having a happy day or a sad day? Or are you nervous or anxious? Or have you been surprised today? Or are you excited about something? They're all valid feelings. And on days when you are feeling nothing, you're not sad or happy or surprised or excited or nervous, that's okay too. Today is a happy day for me because I'm just about to read a book with you. And my book today is Listen to the Rain. Listen to the rain, the whisper of the rain. Can you see the drops of rain coming down? And we have some grey clouds as well. You often see some grey clouds when you know it's about to rain. The slow, soft sprinkle, the drip, drop, twinkle. The first wet whisper of the rain. Listen to the rain, the singing of the rain. The tiptoe, pitter-patter, the splish and the splash and splatter. And there we have it, all the rain pouring down. Sometimes you can hear the singing of the rain, and sometimes you can hear the pitter-patters of the rain falling on the ground or around you. The steady sound, the singing of the rain. When it rains sometimes, and it rains and rains and rains, and sometimes it might rain for days, you hear the constant sound of the water or the rain falling down. Listen to the rain, the roaring, pouring rain. The hurly-burly, topsy-turvy, lashing, gnashing teeth of rain. Seems like there's a lot of rain here, and lots of wind that comes with the rain. Sometimes the winds can be very, very strong. And sometimes with rain, you can also get some thunder and lightning in the sky. Just like here. The lightning flashing, thunder crashing, sounding, pounding, roaring rain. And it's often when it's raining really, really hard that you get the flash of thunder and lightning in the sky. Leaving all doors a muddle, a mishy, mushy, muddy puddle. Listen to the quietude, the silence and the solitude of the after rain. What do you hear once the rain has stopped? It tends to be still very quiet because people don't often like to travel in the rain. You won't see many people walking in the rain, and you often see the grayness in the sky once the rain is finished, and lots of water around. You might see some muddy puddles, and you might also see the aftermath of the rain, like lots of leaves on the floor, on the ground, because the rain has brought down lots and lots of branches and leaves. And there might be a big cleanup sometimes when it's rained a lot. And finally, once the rain has stopped, you might see the sun out again. The dripping, dripping, dropping, the slowly, slowly stopping. The fresh, wet, silent after time of rain. And what do you see next? Sometimes you see a rainbow. And that is the end of our story today. I have had a happy day today reading to you, and I have enjoyed this book, reading about the rain. Next time it rains in your house, I want you to think about this book and think about what came before the rain. Did you see any dark clouds? Or was the sun out and all of a sudden the rain came pouring down? Or did you see a really grey sky? Did you see flashes of lightning and thunder? And then did you see the rain pouring down? Did it rain just for a moment? Or did it rain for a few hours? Or did you have rain for a few days? And what happened once the rain stopped? Did you see what your outside was like? Was there lots of leaves and branches on the ground? Was there a big cleanup that had to happen? And finally, once the rain stopped, did the sun come out again with a rainbow?